Want wireless freedom with premium keyboard performance? The Ayula F108 Pro delivers ultimate typing experience. This keyboard offers versatility with Bluetooth tri-mode connectivity, switching between 3 devices. Type on computer, then instantly switch to tablet or smartphone. Multifunctional display shows battery level, connection status, and mode, keeping you informed. Built with advanced gasket mounting structure, every keystroke feels smooth and satisfying, with dampening reducing typing fatigue. Stunning RGB lighting effects create atmosphere with customization options matching your style. Whether subtle elegance or vibrant waves, F108 Pro adapts. Mechanical switches deliver satisfying feedback typists and gamers love, while wireless design keeps desk clutter-free. Long battery life means less charging, more productivity. Full-size layout includes number pad for efficient data entry. Premium build quality ensures great performance through years of use. Perfect for anyone working across devices or wanting flexibility. Ready to cut the cord? The purchase link is waiting in the description and comments below.